Hello everyone, I'm Chitralekha Gupta from Human Language Technology Lab at National University of Singapore. Today I'm going to talk about the work that I have done with my co-authors Dr. Emre Ilmaz and Professor Haizu Lee.
The title of our paper is Automatic Lyrics Alignment and Transcription in Polyphonic Music. We primarily investigate if the background music helps in this task. Automatic lyrics alignment and transcription in polyphonic music are challenging tasks because the singing vocals are corrupted by the background music. Studies have found that genre specific attributes of background music, such as loudness and syllable rate, affect lyrics intelligibility of singing vocals. In this work, we propose to learn music genre specific characteristics to train polyphonic acoustic models. We present the lyrics alignment and transcription performance of music informed acoustic models and systematically study the impact of music genre on the performance. With such genre specific approach, we explicitly model the music without removing or suppressing it during acoustic modeling. Earlier approaches to lyrics alignment and transcription have used acoustic models that were trained on solo singing audio and were adapted to a small set of extracted vocals to reduce the mismatch of acoustic models between training and testing. In this work, we explored two approaches for acoustic modeling. A. To apply singing vocal extraction from polyphonic audio as a pre-processing step and then train acoustic models with the extracted singing vocals. This approach treats the background music as the background noise and suppresses it. An approach B is to train the acoustic models using vocals along with the background music. This approach observes the combined effect of vocals and music on acoustic modeling. With these two approaches, we would like to answer the question whether background music helps in acoustic modeling for lyrics alignment and transcription. A recent study presented a data intensive end to end system which was trained over 44,000 proprietary songs for lyrics alignment and transcription. Unfortunately, resources of such scale are not always freely available. In this work, we compare the performance of a standard automatic speech recognition pipeline that comprises of a separate acoustic model, language model, and pronunciation lexicon with an end-to-end ASR using limited publicly available resources. Genre of a music piece is characterized by background instrumentation, rhythmic structure, and harmonic content of the music. Factors such as instrumental accompaniment and reverberation are expected to interfere with lyric intelligibility, while predictable rhyme schemes might improve intelligibility. Schultz and Huron, in their study, found that across 12 different genres, the overall lyrics intelligibility of humans is only about 72%, where death metal genre excerpts received intelligibility scores of 0, while pop excerpts achieved scores close to 100%. In this study, we investigate two kinds of genre-informed acoustic modeling: genre-informed phone models and genre-informed silence models. Lyric intelligibility is affected by the relative volume of the singing vocals compared to the background accompaniment. Another difference between genres is the syllable rate. We believe that genre-specific acoustic modeling of phones would capture the combined effect of background music and singing vocals. In a speech recognition system, a silence acoustic model is separately trained for better alignment and recognition. In songs, non-vocal segments or musical interludes frequently occur. These non-vocal segments are not silence. Instead, they consist of different kinds of musical accompaniments based on genres. The spectrotemporal characteristics of the combination of instruments vary across genres but are somewhat similar within a genre. Thus, we propose to train genre-specific non-vocal or silence models to characterize this variability of instrumentation across genres. To build genre-informed acoustic models, we consider the shared characteristics between genres that affect lyrics intelligibility, such as type of background accompaniments and loudness of vocals, and group 18 different genres into three broad genre classes: pop, hip hop, and metal, as shown in this table. We conduct 3 sets of experiments to demonstrate and compare different strategies for lyrics alignment and transcription. In experiment 1, we train acoustic models using extracted vocals and polyphonic audio and compare their ASR performance. In experiment 2, we compare a standard ASR system to an end-to-end ASR, both trained on polyphonic music audio. And in experiment 3, we compare the performance of genre-informed acoustic models to the genre-agnostic acoustic models. The training data for acoustic modeling contains more than 3,900 English polyphonic songs from the DALI dataset. We evaluate the performance of lyrics alignment and transcription on 3 well-known test datasets: Hansen, Mauch, and Jamendo datasets. These datasets consist mainly of Western pop songs with manually annotated word level transcription and boundaries. The distribution of songs across the genre broad classes in the training data is skewed towards pop. Since we are limited by the amount of data available for training, therefore we assume this to be the naturally occurring distribution of songs across genres. The singing vocal extraction is done with the help of the state-of-the-art pre-trained wave unit based audio source separation models. The standard ASR framework is a factorized time delay neural network that is trained using Kaldi ASR toolkit, and the end-to-end ASR framework is trained using ESPNet toolkit. Please refer to the paper for the details of their configurations. We trained 2 language models using the transcriptions of the in-domain lyrics of DALI dataset, which is the lyrics language model, and the open source text corpus released as a part of LibriSpeech corpus, which is the general LM. We trained 3 different types of acoustic models corresponding to the 3 genre broad classes. For the genre-informed phone modeling, we provide the genre labels to the phone units in the phonetic lexicon. At runtime, during the alignment task, the alignment system chooses the best fitting phone models among all genres during forced alignment. This prevents the additional requirement of genre information for the songs in the test sets. The alignment performance is measured as the mean absolute word onset boundary error AE for each song, averaged over all songs of a dataset in seconds. And lyrics transcription performance is measured as the word error rate or WER. In experiment 1, we observed that ASR trained on polyphonic data outperforms that trained on extracted vocals. This indicates that there is value in modeling the combination of vocals and music, instead of considering the background music as noise and suppressing it. Although we have used the state-of-the-art vocal extraction algorithm, these techniques are not perfect. Moreover, the average alignment error has reduced to less than 350 milliseconds in all the test datasets using the polyphonic models. We observe a large improvement in the alignment accuracy on the Mauch's dataset. It consists of many songs with long musical interludes, where the extracted vocal model fails to align the lyrics around the long non-vocal sections, whereas the polyphonic models are able to capture the transitions from music to singing vocals. So in the rest of the experiments, we use polyphonic audio to train the acoustic models. The standard ASR performs considerably better than the end-to-end ASR. This implies that characterizing different components of polyphonic music with the standard ASR components, such as acoustic model, pronunciation model, and language model, are valuable for the task of lyrics transcription. The following experiments use the standard ASR framework for exploring genre-informed acoustic modeling. We see that lyrics alignment shows an improvement in performance with genre-informed silence plus phone models compared to genre-agnostic and genre-informed silence models. The word alignment error is less than or equal to 220 milliseconds across all the test datasets. This indicates that for the task of lyrics alignment, where the target lyrics are known, the genre-informed phone models trained on limited data are able to capture the transition between phones well. It is also evident that the alignment error is maximum in metal songs, which is intuitive due to the loud, noisy background music. The genre-informed silence models show 2 to 4% absolute improvement in the lyrics transcription performance over the genre-agnostic models in all the test datasets. This shows that creating genre-specific models for the non-vocal segments is a good strategy to compare the variability of music across genres. However, genre-informed phone models do not show any improvement in word error rate. This could be due to the insufficient amount of data to train accurate phone models for the 3 genre types. Moreover, we observe an improvement in the lyrics transcription performance with the lyrics language model over the general language model. This shows that the linguistic constraints due to the rhyming structure of the lyrics are better captured by the in-domain song lyrics text. Hip-hop class has the least amount of data, while pop has the most. The bar chart indicates that the performance degradation is more in hip-hop songs than in pop songs. Finally, we compare our best results with the most recent prior work. Our strategy provides the best results for both lyrics alignment and transcription tasks on well-known test datasets. Our system has outperformed all other systems in the Mirex 2019 lyrics to audio alignment task. Let's take a quick look at our demo of the word alignment produced by our best model.
Be the good girl you always had to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
In summary, we introduce a music-informed strategy to train polyphonic acoustic models for the task of lyrics alignment and transcription in polyphonic music. We model the genre-specific characteristics of music and vocals and study their performance with different ASR frameworks and language models. We find that this music-informed strategy learns the background music characteristics and shows improvement in lyrics alignment and transcription performance over others with music suppression. We also showed that with limited available data, our strategy of genre-informed acoustic modeling as well as lyrics-constrained language modeling is able to outperform all existing systems for both lyrics alignment and transcription tasks. Check out our interactive auto lyrics align system at the link on the screen. Also provided are the full demo video and our pre-trained models and scripts. Thank you for watching.